Good morning, you guys. It is day one of Vlogmas, and I am so excited to be here with you. So today is Thursday, December 12th, and it is currently 8:28 in the morning, hence why I look like this. So I just dropped off Leilani to school, and I actually have a lip filler appointment. This is pretty much my 1 year mark since I've gotten my lips done. Most of you probably don't know if you haven't seen or if you haven't been watching me for a while, but I do have a little bit of lip filler in my lips. They've definitely gone down because it has been a year since I've gotten my lips done. And usually around Christmas and my birthday is when I get my lips done, because first of all, I don't like to overdo it. I don't want to overdo it. Second of all, it's very expensive. So I always like to save my coins. And usually I go in around the holidays because they always have like some sort of discount or specials or things like that because of Black Friday, Christmas, and all those things. So I'm going to take you guys with me and just kind of show you like a little behind the scenes of what it looks like to get your lips done. I'm only going to get half a syringe this time. I used to do a full syringe, but I don't want to do a full syringe because, again, I just want to take it slow, and maybe back in, or again in March, I can go and get my lips done. But right now I am still on time, so I'm gonna go to McDonald's and grab me a coffee because Mama is useless without coffee. So let's go grab a coffee, and then we can go and retouch these lips. Can I have a medium coffee with 5 and 5?
Okay.
And then can I do a hash brown, and that'll be all?
There's a mini coffee and a hash brown?
Yes, please.
Tell me one.
Thank you. I got my coffee, got my hash brown. I am sitting at a red light, and usually in the mornings I like to listen to a podcast. Right now I'm listening to 2 different podcasts. I am listening to obviously like a a murder podcast. If you guys are into like murder shows, things like that, the one that I'm loving, that I've been watching for a while now, it's called Junkie. Oh my god, it's 2 girls and I love them. They're just, the way that they tell the stories is so good. Also, I watched Cold Prelude, and it is on the Susan Powell case. This is really long, but it is such a good podcast, you guys. It's so detailed, and it's very sad. If you guys are familiar with like cold cases and things like that, and if you know of the Susan Powell case, she was actually murdered here in Utah in West Valley. Okay guys, so I am here now. I didn't even get a chance to really drink my coffee or eat my hash brown, but I'm gonna eat a little bit of it. I took some bites because I am really hungry. I want to know what your favorite thing from McDonald's is. I actually don't like McDonald's too much. I do like their coffees and their cold coffees and their hash browns, but other than that, their food is okay. Ooh, it is hot and they did not mix it. I hate when that happens. But yeah, like I was telling you guys, so usually in the mornings if I'm going to go out somewhere, I like to listen to podcasts. So the one that I was listening to, but I finished it, was the Susan Powell case. I will have the names of the podcasts down below. If you are a crime junkie like me, you're gonna love these podcasts. You just get sucked into them. But right now I started listening to this new podcast called Happier with Gretchen Rubin, and it's more of a like, this podcast called Happier with Gretchen Rubin is more of a self-improvement podcast. So it just tells you how to be a happier person and self-development, and they talk about their own personal experiences. Excuse me. So I think it's really cool. I've been looking for a really good podcast for self-development. I like to work on myself and better myself, and I haven't found one that I totally love. So I just started this one. I will have to let you guys know how I like it. But I'm just gonna finish my little hash brown. I'm so nervous. Like I said, it's been a year since I've gotten my lips done. And so, yeah, I'm a little bit nervous. All right, let's go, guys. Oh, I'm gonna go upstairs. Thank you, though. Ones.
Yeah. So just try to keep them together, and then I'll grab a couple of consents for you to sign. I'm just going to put it all over, even though we're mostly going to concentrate to the center portion. I'll wipe you off. So, do you feel like the last time you had your lips filled, was it here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, relax your mouth open just a little. Okay, that's all of it.
Cool. Okay, guys, I am back. I cannot feel my lips at all. So I'm gonna insert some befores. This is what my lips are looking like right now. They're obviously swollen, but they're gonna go down. Once they go down, they're gonna look a little less plump, if you will. Oh my god, it is so cold. It's actually raining right now, and we're supposed to be getting snow. Also, I can't feel my tongue. So they put the numbing cream on you. You wait for about 10 minutes so it can really numb your lips. And the pain level, you guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would say it's probably a 2. 2 being the lowest and 10 being the worst pain. It is not painful at all. If you go to the right place with people that are trained, certified, or whatever you want to call it, and they know what they're doing, your lips won't hurt. And hopefully I won't bruise either. The last time that I came was with a different nurse, and unfortunately she's not here anymore. She moved to Colorado. But when I came with her, she did my lips and she did not bruise me at all. So I'm hoping I don't bruise. But yeah, I'm just gonna drink my coffee because I am so hungry. And even though I can't feel my tongue, because like I said, when they put the numbing cream, you can't feel anything. So I was like freaking drooling, and I didn't even notice till I felt something wet on my chin. I was like, oh my god, I'm drooling. But I accidentally got a little bit of that numbing cream on my tongue. Ugh. Oh my god, I cannot feel it. Hello, 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 hello. Hi guys. So I just got home. I am starving and I still can't feel my lips. They're pretty swollen right now. So I think Brian might still be asleep because I really don't hear him, or he might be laying in bed. But I don't know what we have planned for the day. Oh my god, I can't stop looking at my lips. I don't know what we have planned for the day, but right now I think I'm gonna make me some breakfast. I gotta clean my kitchen because I have some dishes from last night. Cosmo, what is your deal, dude? Why do you keep sniffing me? Huh? What is it? What is it? Hmm? And you, Cleo? What is it? Huh? Oh, I just finished cleaning the kitchen a little bit. I still gotta sweep, but I'm gonna do that in a second. So I'm about to make some breakfast. I think for myself, maybe I'm gonna have some eggs, I'm not sure. But Brian wants an omelet, so I'm gonna get my butter. I'm gonna get my cheese, and then I just went grocery shopping. Well, actually my sister did, so I'm gonna use some ham. He likes this kind of ham, so I think I'm gonna use, let's see, I'm gonna use this ham to put it in his omelet. I might actually just make myself an omelet too, and then I'm gonna grab my eggs. I grab a bowl, and then I grab about 3 or 4 eggs. Ryan usually eats about 4 eggs, so I'm gonna crack them into my bowl. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, see how see how big it is? That's exactly what he likes. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, and then I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. I think we're gonna make a Ross and a TJ Maxx run because we need to finish buying some wrapping stuff for presents, and I think that'll be all. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys in a few. Okay, you guys, so I did my makeup, and I'm gonna spit out my gum because I know you guys hate it when I'm chewing gum, so I'm gonna spit it out. But I did my makeup really quick just because we are gonna go out and I don't want to look like a muerta. I didn't put anything on my lips. All I have is a little bit of lip balm. Usually within like the first day or two, I don't usually put any lipstick on my lips just to avoid contamination. And that's what they usually recommend. So we are on our way. Say hi, babe.
What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up?
So we are on our way out we're gonna go to Ross and TJ Maxx. I need to grab the stuff for Lonnie's present. And it's raining outside, so I'll show you guys when I go outside. Can you guys hear the sound of the freaking rain? It is pouring. I actually love the rain so much, and it's funny because this actually reminds me from back home. The snow is like melting, but it's raining really bad. But every time it rains, it reminds me so much of back home. I am from New Mexico, El Paso, Texas, New Mexico. And when it would rain, because it was desert, it smelled so good. It smelled like tierra mojada. And oh my god, I love when it smelled like that. Jackpot. Look at these lashes. These are in the style Dahlia. $5, you guys. I've never seen.
I was like, I see
this is the brand. These are super cute, you guys. You have to snatch them up. I think I'm gonna take this one. This one looks really pretty and I want to try it out. You like them? I found them. Now to decide. This one's super cute. What do you think? Will you grab it? So we just got home from, we ended up going to Ross and Walmart because we needed to buy 1 or 2 additional. Actually, we ended up going to Target as well because at Walmart we ended up not finding the item that we needed. But I wanted to show you guys the lashes that I ended up buying. I kind of bought every single one because I want to test them out, and if they're good, hopefully they restock them. But if you guys see these in your TJ Maxx, like, I think these are totally worth it because they're $5 and they are 3D lashes. Yep, they're 100% cruelty free, so they're faux mink. These are stunning. These are in the style Dahlia. I got these in the style Bougie, which these are super cute. I really like those. I also got these in the style Lolita. These were the most like dramatic and long ones. And then I also got Baby or Not Your Baby, and these are a little like wispy and flirty and really pretty if my camera can focus. And then I ended up getting these in the style Wig. All of them are just so cute. There's my little Christmas tree. I'm actually about to do some wrapping of gifts. These are the last gifts for Lonnie. These are from her grandma, so I just gotta wrap them up for her. Ooh, I'm a little bit oily, but I think this is going to be the end of this vlog. Tomorrow I will have another vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys saw a little bit behind the scenes and getting my lip filler. And tomorrow we can do like a update on my lips to see how they're looking and how they're feeling. But until tomorrow, I will see you guys then. Bye. Babe, say bye.